I have in front of me here an 80 centimeter mesh satellite dish. So it basically comes in two parts. You have the skin of the dish, which we see here, and we have a box here, which is a sealed box. It comes with this instruction manual, and it has all the components, which you can see here. So basically the key things to know on this is that the arm here that comes out to hold the L&B holder is 25 millimeters in the diameter. And what we have here is we have a neck here that's capable of holding an L&B with a 40 millimeter neck. Basically any universal L&B will go in here. So the general assembly on it is both robust and easy. If we just rotate around and look at the back of the dish here, what we have here is we have an L&B, or we have the actual plastic dish bracket here. It just bolts directly on. The big advantage of plastic is that it's both strong, it's also lightweight, and is obviously resistant to corrosion, particularly in seaside areas, because it's completely resistant to salt air. And what we have then is we have the bracket here for bolting directly onto a wall bracket. We have these listed as associated product. Normally what we're using is a galvanized 40 millimeter offset bracket. And what we have here then as well is we have the elevation here. So what we do is obviously just adjust this to get to the point where we have an ideal setup, and then we set the elevation and also bolt the bracket down into a fixed location on the actual wall bracket as well. The reason that the mesh dishes are proved to be popular is that the big advantage to have over solid dishes, which we also sell, is that the perforated finish on it lets the wind move through it. So when trying to set it up, it's actually easier, but much more importantly, long term, is much more resistant to moving in the wind than others would be. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 80 centimeter mesh satellite dish.